Hello, my friends. If you've been here before, thanks for stopping by again. If this is your first time here, then welcome. In celebration of reaching the 100 subscribers milestone, I'm going to start giving shoutouts to other YouTubers that I think should get some special attention. So check out How to Cook Smarter. He has the most beautiful looking photography of any food channel I follow, and his recipes are always clear, easy to follow, and delicious looking. How to Cook Smarter. He could use a subscriber boost and is well worth your time. The link will be in my description box. Today I'm going to be making for you KFC. No, not that KFC. I'm talking about Korean fried chicken, a deep fried treat that will be the hit of any cookout, tailgating event, or picnic. Any place where messy finger foods are not only allowed, but expected. Now, I am not claiming that this is authentic Korean fried chicken. I just know it tastes crispy, crunchy, and delicious. It gets a spectacular crunch from a thin batter that is double fried, just like a well-made French fry, to crispy, crunchy perfection. Here is what you will need. 3 to 4 pounds of chicken wings cut into drumettes and flats. For the dry rub marinade, you will need 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of gochugaru or your favorite chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. For the batter, you will need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup cornstarch or potato starch, and 1.5 cups of cold water. If your chicken wings are whole, then take a sharp knife and cut the wings into 3 segments: the wingtip, the drumette, and the wingette. The smallest segment of the chicken wing is called the wing tip. This part of the wing does not have any meat, but don't discard the wing tip. You should save it for stock. The largest segment of the chicken wing is the drumette. It's like a miniature drumstick. Finally, the segment between the drumette and the wingtip is called either the wingette or the flat. Wingettes are also known as a flat because of its shape. Once all your chicken wings have been cut into segments, then put the chicken into a large bowl and season the drumettes and flats with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chili powder, and stir the chicken thoroughly to make sure that every piece of chicken is fully coated with all the spices. Then cover the bowl and allow everything to marinate for about an hour. When you are ready to begin frying, heat a large pot with deep sides with 6 cups of oil. Use an oil that can be heated to a high temperature and has a low smoke point like peanut oil. While the oil is heating, make your batter. In a large bowl, mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 4 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch, along with 1.5 cups of cold water. This batter should have the texture of thin, heavy cream. If not, then add more water or flour until you get a texture like heavy cream. Once the oil registers 350 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, you can begin frying the chicken. With long tongs, grab a piece of chicken and allow the excess batter to drip back into the bowl. Then place the piece of chicken halfway into the hot oil for 5 seconds to set the batter, and then release it into the oil. Depending on the size of your pot, you should be able to fry 7 or 8 pieces of chicken at one time. But be careful not to add too many pieces of chicken at one time. You want your oil to stay around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need to monitor the oil temperature and adjust your fire accordingly during this first frying. Fry the chicken wings for about 6 minutes until they are a light golden brown, and then remove them from the oil and put them on a cooling rack. The cooling rack is important so that air can circulate around the chicken wings, allowing them to stay crisp. Depending upon how many chicken wings you're making, you may need to fry the chicken in 3 or 4 batches. Once all the chicken has been fried and is resting on the cooling rack, raise the temperature of your oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your oil has come up to 375 degrees, then place the first 2 batches of chicken wings in the hot oil. For the second frying, it's okay to crowd the pan. Just make sure that all the chicken pieces are fully submerged in the oil. Adjust your fire to keep your oil temperature close to 375 degrees Fahrenheit without going over. Fry the chicken wings for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the chicken wing should be a very deep golden brown color and should be incredibly crisp. Remove the chicken to your cooling rack and fry the remaining chicken 2 batches at a time. Once all the chicken has been cooked, allow it to cool for a couple of minutes, then enjoy it with your favorite dipping sauce or try my gochujang glaze as shown here. I hope you give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as they become available. Also give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. Thank you for watching Adventures in Food with Howard. Bye for now.